And side two of Sounds of the 60s. Band one is the Beach Boys' 1968 UK number one, Do It Again.
It's automatic when I talk with old friends. The conversation turns to girls we knew when their hair was soft and long, and the beach was the place to go. With suntan bodies and waves of sunshine, California girls in a beautiful coastline and warm up weather. Let's get together and do it again. With a girl, the lonely sea looks good with moonlight. Make sure night time's warm and out of sight. So long. Well, I've been thinking about all the places we surfed and danced and all the faces we missed. So let's get back together and do it again. Come
A Beach Boys chart-topping single in Britain in 1968. Now, before we go any further, let's just run through the artists whose records we shall be playing as requests in this half of the show. First, Craig Douglas, then Liverpool group The Escorts, followed by three in a row from Roy Orbison, Elvis and Brenda Lee, and finally Neil Diamond. Next, though, is a single from Tennessee gospel singer O.V. Wright, who'd performed as a member of several groups when in '64 he recorded a song by Roosevelt Jameson that was offered to Stax, who turned it down, but it was then snapped up by Goldwax for what should have been the start of a great relationship, but the deal was cancelled when Duke Peacock Records claimed the singer was already under contract to them as a member of the Sunset Travelers. Here is that disc that might have been a solo hit for O.V. Wright, That's How Strong My Love Is.
If I were the sun up there, I would glow with love everywhere. Even be the moon when the sun go down, so you could see, so you can see that I'm still around. Oh, that's how strong, that's how strong my love is. That's how strong my love is. There's one more thing I want to say. If I were a fish that had been cast upon the land,
O.V. Wright, US gospel singer, recorded in 1964, leading to our first side 2 request for Roger Scott of Letchworth Garden City, who will reach his 65th birthday on Monday next. So, with our warmest greetings for that memorable occasion, with a hello to Roger's wife Sandra, who he says has put up with him for 38 years so far, here's a Craig Douglas hit that Roger remembers recording an acceptable version of himself in 1960 on his dad's reel-to-reel recorder. Written by Teddy Randazzo and Bob Weinstein, this American top 10 hit for Steve Lawrence saw Craig's UK cover get to number 4 in our charts, Pretty Blue Eyes.
Thought I was in love before, and when you moved in next door with your blue eyes, pretty blue eyes, all the guys from the neighborhood keep saying you sure look good with your blue eyes, pretty blue eyes. Saw you from my window, my heart skipped a beat. Gonna sit by your doorstep so that we can meet. Pretty blue eyes, please come out today so I can tell you what I have to say, that I love you, pretty blue eyes. Saw you from my window, my heart skipped a beat. Gonna sit by your doorstep so that we can meet. Pretty blue eyes, please come out today so I can tell you what I have to say, that I love you, pretty blue eyes, pretty blue eyes, pretty blue eyes, I love you, pretty blue eyes.
Craig Douglas. And next, a spot of trad, with one of 2 minor hits by Bob Wallace and his Storyville Jazz Band. And Bob started his own first band in 1950 in his hometown of Bridlington, and he played with various bands throughout the 50s, including, briefly, Acker Bilks. His own trumpet playing and singing were inspired by Henry Red Allen. His first hit was with I'm Shy, Mary Ellen, I'm Shy, and the next one in 1962 was Come Along, Please. When his band broke up, Bob played for a while with Monty Sunshine, then moved to Switzerland, where he continued to work throughout the 80s.
We've had your Monday mister, you've had your moments made. Come along, come along, come along, come along, please. Ain't you got no home to go to, getting awful late. Come along, come along, come along, come along, please. You've been kissing all my barmaids, now it's time to say ta-da, mates. Drinking up, drinking up, drinking up, drinking up, please. You know you've had your moments, you're nearly on your knees. Come along, come along, come along, come along, please. We've had your money, mister, you've had your moments made. Come along, come along, come along, come along, please. Ain't you got no home to go to, getting awful late. Come along, come along, come along, come along, please.
affable character and one of the enthusiasts of the British trad boom, Bob Wallace, with his Storyville Jazz Band. And that brings me to this week's Song Swap feature. And this number, Poor Little Fool, was the first UK top 10 hit for Ricky Nelson in 1958, written by Sharon Sheeley, and 3 years later it was covered by Brian Hyland on his debut and only album for the American Cap label, The Bashful Blonde, a title chosen because of his shy and unassuming personality and his fair hair.
Poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. She played around and teased me with her carefree devil eyes. She'd hold me close and kiss me, but her heart was full of lies. Poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. Cared for me, that we'd never part. And so for the very first time I gave away my heart. Poor little fool. Oh yeah, I was a fool. The next day she was gone and I knew she lied to me. She left me with a broken heart, won her victory.
Brian Hyland's version of a Ricky Nelson hit, so next Rick himself with his version for his album Best Always of a Tony Hatch song from 1965 when it was a UK top 20 hit for Petula Clark, I Know a Place.
Every day when the work is behind you and the shop and the store put the lock on the door, just get away where your worries won't find you. If you like, well, I'll tell you more. Don't let the day get the better of you. When the evening comes, there's so much to do. You better put on your best and wear a smile. Just come along with me a while, 'cause I tell you, I know a place where the music is fine and the lights are always low. I know a place where we can go. At the door there's a man who will greet you. Then you go downstairs to some tables and chairs. Soon I'm sure you'll be tapping your feet, because the beat is the greatest there. All around there are girls and boys. It's a swinging place, a cellar full of noise. It's got an atmosphere of its own somehow. You gotta come along right now, 'cause I tell you, I know a place where the music is fine and the lights are always low. I know a place where we can go. Girls and boys, it's a swinging place, a cellar full of noise that's got an atmosphere of its own somehow. You gotta come along right now, 'cause I tell you, I know a place where the music is fine and the lights are always low. I know a place where we can go. I know a place where we can go. I know a place where the lights are low. You're gonna love this place, I know.
Rick Nelson, as he'd become by that time, having dropped the Y from his first name, with an album track in 1965, leading us now to the 12th consecutive single by the Kinks to make the UK Top 20 in 1967, Autumn Almanac.
From the dew-soaked hedge creeps a crawly caterpillar. Well, the dawn begins to crack. It's all part of my autumn almanac. Breeze blows leaves of a musty coloured yellow. So I sweep them in my sack. Yes, 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 it's my autumn almanac. Friday evenings, people get together, hiding from the weather. Tea and toasted buttered currant buns can't compensate for lack of sun, because the summer's all gone. La 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 la. Oh, a poor romantic back. Yes, 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 it's my autumn almanac. La 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 la. Oh, my autumn almanac. Yes, 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 it's my autumn almanac. I like my football on a Saturday, roast beef on Sundays. All right, I go to Blackpool for my holiday, sit in the open sunlight. This is my street, and I'm never gonna leave it, and I'm always gonna stay. If I live to be 99, 'cause all the people I meet seem to come from my street, and I can't get away, because it's calling me. It's calling me. Come on home. La 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 la. Oh, my autumn almanac. Yes, 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 it's my autumn almanac. La 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 la. Oh, my autumn almanac. Yes, 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 yes.
The Kinks, who'd only have one more major hit in the 60s with Days in 1969, after which they had to wait almost 4 years for another when Supersonic Rocket Ship reached the top 20 in 1972. And now here's a spot of social history in a request from Bryn Field of Aberdeen. He recalls that in 1964 a typhoid epidemic swept his city and all entertainment venues were closed. Well, almost all, because one club, St Kay's, defiantly remained open, and full-up signs were commonplace despite the health warnings. To bring back memories of that significant period, he says, "Could you please play The One to Cry by the Escorts?" Not a big hit, but a firm favourite of the St Kay's regulars at the time.
Cry, 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 cry. I told you if I ever caught you playing round again, that if you were untrue, then you and I were through. Well, now I caught you
be so cruel. You played me for a fool. But if I change my mind, then I will throw away my pride. So now what do I do? Oh, how I wish I knew. Oh, if I say goodbye, then I am gonna be the one to cry. Cry, 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 cry. So now what do I do? Oh, how I wish I knew. Oh, if I say goodbye, then I am gonna be the one to cry. Cry, 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 cry.
The Escorts, who were voted the 9th most popular group in Liverpool by readers of Merseybeat magazine in 1963. In 1983, at the instigation of Elvis Costello, Edsel Records released an LP containing all 12 songs from the Escorts' 6 singles, and this was reissued on CD in 1995, called From the Blue Angel, referring to the club where they'd begun performing in 1962. The next record will lead us very nicely, as you'll see shortly, into our 3 in a row feature. It's the song written by the late Ray Charles that came about one evening when, performing with his orchestra, he found the set was running short, so he decided to set a rhythm for the band and improvised a song that turned into What Did I Say?, that he recorded some months later and was subsequently covered by dozens of artists, the first successful version being this one in 1961 by Jerry Lee Lewis.
She know how to shake that thing all right. Hey, hey. All right. Tell your mama, tell your pa, I gonna send you back to Arkansas. Hey, honey, you don't do right. I say you don't do right. All right. Yeah. The boogie woogie all night long, all right. Hey, hey, all right. Well, tell me what I say. What I say. Tell me what I say right now. What I say. Honey, what I say. What I say. Baby, what I say right now. What I say. Tell me what I say. Honey, what I say. And I wanna know. Gotta know, baby, I wanna know right now, baby, I wanna know, baby, I wanna know.
Jerry Lee Lewis, UK top 10 hit cover of that Ray Charles song. Now, I must apologise for being a week late for the 62nd birthday last Saturday of Rusty Gaynor in Finchley. We hope you had a happy day, and thank you for your super 3 in a row suggestion. Rusty said that between February and September 64, there were no less than 3 hit singles in the top 40, which all featured versions of What I Say on their B-sides. So how about playing the top sides of those discs? In order of appearance, there'll be Roy Orbison's top 20 hit here, never issued in the States, Born on the Wind. Then, also in our top 20, Elvis Presley's film song Viva Las Vegas. And finally, a record Brenda Lee made in London, produced by Mickie Most. Her only hit recorded in the UK, Is It True?
Bright light city, gonna set my soul on fire. Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn, so get those stakes up higher. There's 1,000 pretty women waiting out there. They're all living the devil may care, and I am just a devil with love to spare. So viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas. How I wish that there were more than 24 hours in the day. Even if there were 40 more, I wouldn't sleep a minute away. Oh, there's blackjack and poker and the roulette wheel, a fortune won and lost on every deal. All you need is a strong heart and a nerve of steel. Viva Las Vegas, viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas with your neon flashing and your one-armed bandits crashing all those hopes down the drain. Viva Las Vegas, turning day into nighttime, turning night into daytime. If you see it once, you'll never be the same again. I'm gonna keep on the run, I'm gonna have me some fun. If it costs me my very last dime, if I wind up broke, well, I'll always remember that I had a swing in time. I'm gonna give it everything I've got. Lady luck, please let the dice stay hot. Let me shoot a 7 with every shot. Viva Las Vegas,
was the coolest looking guy with the best looking clothes, with a Ferrari, and the slickest, smoothest band in the world. It was the epitome of cool.
Join Craig Charles as he celebrates the 40th anniversary of Miles Davis's In a Silent Way.
During what has come to be known as the electric era, he created music that continues to reverberate today in the worlds of hip-hop, drum and bass, trance, and the wilder shores of rock. The coolest cat in jazz, Miles plugs in the story of the path he followed and the magic he weaved.
Tuesday night from 10:30 on 88 to 91 FM, BBC Radio 2.
Strawberries, ripe strawberries. As I was going to Strawberry Fair, singing, singing buttercups and daisies, I met a maiden selling her wares, folded D. Her eyes were blue and she was fair, and she rode on a donkey to Strawberry Fair. Rifle, rifle, told a riddle-ido. Rifle, rifle, told a riddle-dee. Would you like to pick from my basket, she said, singing, singing buttercups and daisies. My cherries ripe or my roses red, folded D. You can take a handful, I don't care, as I go on to Strawberry Fair. Rifle, rifle, told a riddle-ido. Rifle, rifle, told a riddle-dee. So I said to this bird, your cherries soon will go mouldy and bad. Singing, singing buttercups and what's it, your roses wither and look all sad. Folded D. Now it's not to buy such perishing ware that I am slogging at the Strawberry Fair. Oh, rifle, rifle, come and get an earful. Rifle, rifle, told a riddle-dee. I told her straight, I want a girl with a generous heart, singing, singing buttercups and oojahs without a tongue that is wicked or smart. Folded D. And an honest mind, but these are rare. I doubt if I'll find them at this crummy old fair. Rifle, rifle, told riddle-ido. Rifle, well, you know the rest, don't you? So I put it to her straight. Now in return for these virtues, I swear, knees up, come and knees up. I'll give you a ring for your finger, my dear. Folded D. So make me your partner and give me a share in church today at Strawberry Fair. Now rifle, rifle, told a riddle-ido. Rifle, rifle. Strawberries, shan't be round tomorrow. The donkeys pinched all the strawberries.
The late Anthony Newley, who was such a versatile artist, he felt the need to use various pseudonyms for different aspects of his skill. For instance, when he recorded that hit version of the traditional English folk song Strawberry Fair, he rewrote part of the lyric and on the label called himself Nolly Clapton, relating to his place of birth. Compared with that, the career details of our next artist are much more confusing. This is James Royal, who between 65 and 72 released 16 singles on 3 separate labels. He began as Jimmy Royal and the Hawks, about whom there's virtually no information, and wound up as Two of Us in duet with Liz Christian. The 1968 track that we're going to play was co-written by arranger Keith Mansfield, who worked on most of the Love Affair singles, and it's called Hey Little Boy.
You got much wanted.
late 60s single by James Royal, leading us to a familiar name, the Shirelles. Over the last couple of years, Ace Records has been releasing many of their albums on CD for the first time. The latest contains the Shirelles' 5th and 6th LPs for the American Scepter label, with songs from some of soul music's leading composers, including Sam Cooke, Van McCoy and Luther Dixon. From the 5th album, Foolish Little Girl, here's a track that was a 1963 American Top 40 hit, Don't Say Goodnight and Mean Goodbye, with a tune bearing more than a passing resemblance to the group's earlier recording, A Thing of the Past.
Tonight, you're acting strange, I find. Have you got something on your mind? Something's wrong, I can see it in your eyes. Oh, 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 darling, don't say goodnight and mean goodbye. Oh, it may just be all in my mind, but tonight doesn't seem like the other time. Then you were laughing and gay, but now I hear you sighing. Oh, yes, I do. Whoa, 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 darling, don't say goodnight and mean goodbye. Have I lost touch with your heart, or do I just worry too much? I couldn't stand for us to part, because I love you much, much too much. So don't let this kiss be our last kiss. Let there be other nights of holding you like this. Please don't walk away, pretty baby, with that look in your eyes. Oh, no, no, no. Whoa, 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 darling, don't say goodnight and mean goodbye. Oh, 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 baby.
A 1963 minor hit single and album track by the Shirelles, now transferred to CD. And that leads to our last request from someone who says he'd like to remain anonymous, and while I don't know why that should be, we'll respect the request and say he asks us to play a record for Joe Markham of Pontycuma near Bridgend in South Wales, who was 40 a couple of days ago. So with congratulations to you, Joe, here's Neil Diamond's 1969 American hit, Sweet Caroline.
Where it began, I can't begin to knowing, but then I know it's growing strong. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed you'd come along? Hand, touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe there never was, but look at the night, and it don't seem so lonely. We fill it up with only two. And when I hurt, hurting runs off my shoulders. How can I hurt when holding you? Warm, touching warm, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Oh, no, Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, I believe they never could.
Neil Diamond's Sweet Caroline, inspired by President J.F. Kennedy's daughter of that name. Not a UK hit when first released, it made the top 10 here when reissued in 1971, following the success of Neil's first British hit, Cracklin' Rosie. And so to a track from a recently released Universal Records 3-CD box set called War in Babylon, which is an island reggae anthology with 64 tracks giving an insight into the changing sound of Jamaican music over the past 40 years, bringing together some of the greatest ska, rocksteady and reggae recordings of all time. This is by the Uniques in 1968 with their lead singer, the late Slim Smith, who died from an accident in 73, and it's called My Conversation.
All I need from you is a good conversation, 'cause it gives me sweet inspiration, and to tell you I never felt this way before. I know there is some way today. Oh, oh, oh. Love your brother's friend, love your sister, love your brothers. Ooh, yeah, love your sister. And to tell you I must admit you've got me thinking. You've got me thinking. There were times I thought that I was sinking. I was sinking. But I'll always want to be in that position where I can see more clearly, where I can see more clearly.
Jamaican band The Uniques with Slim Smith, bringing us to our last record of the week by Edwin Starr, with a song he wrote with Johnny Bristol and Harvey Fuqua back in 1963. He made many attempts to get it issued without success until he performed it on an American TV show called 20 Grand Live in 1969 and provoked such a rush of inquiries from the public that his label was persuaded to release the disc that became a US top 10 hit and also entered the UK top 40. The title, 25 Miles.
Come on, feet. Start moving. Got to get me there. Hey, hey. Yeah. Oh, 25 miles from home, girl. My feet are hurting mighty bad. Now I've been walking for 3 days and 2 lonely nights. You know that I'm mighty mad. But I got a woman waiting for me that's gonna make this trip worth a while. You see, she's got the kind of loving and a kissing make a man go stone wild. So I got to keep on walking. I got to walk on. I'm so tired, but I just can't lose my stride. I got 15 miles to go now, and I can hear my baby calling my name. It's as if as though I'm standing at her front door. I can hear her that doggone plane. Now I'll be so glad to see my baby and hold her in my arms one more time. Now when I kiss her lips, I'll turn her back over flip, and I'll forget about these feet of mine. I got to keep on walking. Hey, I got to walk on. Let me tell you, y'all, I'm so tired, but I just can't lose my stride. Come on, feet, don't fail me now. I got 10 more miles to go. I got 9, 8, 7, 6, 6. I got 5 more miles to go now. Over the hill, just around the bend. Although my feet are tired, I can't lose my stride. I got to get to my baby again. I got to keep on walking. Hey, I got to walk on. Wait, let me tell you, y'all, I'm so tired, but I just can't lose my stride. Yeah, I got to walk on. Let me tell you, y'all, I see my baby just across the bend.
Edwin Starr, bringing us to the end of another edition of Sounds of the 60s, compiled and produced by Phil the Collector Swern. And this is your old mate Bar Matthew saying that's a lot for this week. See you next week. The news is next on Radio 2, online, on digital, and on 88 to 91 FM.